Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along as I prepare a delicious pot of Egusi Ijebu, also known as Egusi Olomi, with soft Semo. If you are new here and this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share with someone who loves good Nigerian food. Now let's get into the cooking. And just like that, our delicious Egusi Ijebu and Semo are ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Bye.